Hi guys, here we are today at the Sandals Halcyon Beach, which is in St. Lucia in the Caribbean. And I'm gonna give you a room tour of our Crystal Lagoon Poolside Luxury room, which is a garden and pool view room. It is the standard base category at this resort, and you can check it out. Here we are in room 512. And keep in mind, these rooms are only accessible, they're on the second floor and they're only accessible first by stairs. So if you need something without stairs, make sure you get a walkout room because there are no elevators in these sections, which walkout would mean you're on the ground floor. When you come in first, you have your closet with your safe, umbrella, some robes, extra towels, pillows, a luggage rack, and of course on this side, your iron and ironing board. You walk on through, and first you come to your little bar area. And this is a luxury level category at Sandals, which means you get beer and wine included, but no hard alcohol. You have your coffee pot, a tea kettle, ice bucket, and down here you can kind of see what comes in your mini fridge. And this is all included at Sandals. Waters, juices, beers, sodas. And then continuing to walk through, we have a full-length mirror, nice storage area. All Sandals rooms have king-size beds. They're designed for couples, but if you wanted to come here with a friend, you could. I do like this little feature. Little pull-out table for your stuff. More storage space. And here we have a seating area and a desk area. And then let's walk through this back door where you can see our balcony and the view here. We have an umbrella, table with 2 chairs. And again, it is a garden and pool view, so you have the Sandals Lagoon here and a nice towel rack. On the desk here we have American outlets and USB chargers, and what I didn't think about, which was very silly of me, is that the outlets here are going to be UK outlets. So I wish I brought some converters, but that's one thing to keep in mind, just to have extra space on the outlets here. Let me take you into the bathroom now. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel, it would really help me out. Here we have the bathroom, which looks pretty updated and renovated. You have large sized tub and a nice sink area here. Hair dryers up here, tissues, extra storage, and then you get your usual Sandals toiletries, which has shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you guys have an upcoming trip to St. Lucia, if you're gonna be staying here, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'm happy to help. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.